Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. This video we are going to discuss about an important tool which is very useful to make your citation and referencing automatic in different styles. So you have to maintain the references very neatly by giving proper citations. So there are many formats of citations available. So here you can automate it by using just copy and paste your title, or you can add any URL. So or else you can add any text related with your topic, thereby it will generate citations for you in different styles. So let us go on to today's video and discuss how the tool will work for our research article preparation and how it will simplify our work. So before going to our today's video, so we are going to conduct an online workshop on efficient conference and journal paper writing with ChatGPT and AI Toolbox. So this is a fantastic workshop related with your research article preparation using AI Toolbox. In your research article preparation, there are many segments, that is like literature survey, the body of your work, and analysis using different flowcharts, graphs, like that. So all the things have been done by using the different AI tools. So in segment wise we are going to discuss different types of AI tools for making your journal paper writing very simple, and also we are going to explore different types of ChatGPT prompts which will be very useful. By single click you can prepare whatever you want. So these are the important highlights of this workshop. Don't forget to register our online workshop. The link for this workshop will be given in our description. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So the AI tool, the tool what we are going to discuss today is that MyBib. It's a free bibliography and citation generator that makes accurate citations of your copy state in your academic assignments and paper. Just click on that. You will be getting a dashboard like this here. So click on start a new project. Actually I used to work with this MyBib, so thereby I will download the citation very easily. So in MyBib you start a new project. So here you will be seeing different types of options here. Here you can see these are the different types of journal list you can see, that is AMA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, IEEE, next MLA 8. So like the different types of formats are available. So these are the things usually popular. So many of the engineering stream journals are related with this Chicago, APA style and MLA style. So for example, say I am going to click this Chicago, so or any other style you want, you can click it. So for example, say I am going to click this one Chicago, save that. So after you clicked the style of that particular thing, so here you can see add citation, an option called add citation, or else you can import the files. So first we will go for an option called add citation. So here you can see you can copy and paste any URL of a website, or your search for book title or ISBN, or you can give the title of your paper, journal name, or like that, or you can upload any videos, or else you can do whatever you are with conference paper, database article, whatever the article, you can copy and paste the URL, or else you can enter this manually. So this will take more time by entering manually. So next one is drag and drop scholarly PDF. Here you can click on here and you can drag and drop your PDF here. So the easiest way to do your automatic citation is that you have to click on this journal option. So for example, I am going to have a paper. So for example, say, so this is the paper, design and analysis of a grid connected photovoltaic system is the paper I have taken for. So here what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste the particular title. So design and analysis of grid connected photovoltaic power system. So I have copied the same title, or else you can copy the new title of your also. It will generate citation, that is the references with citation. So next click on that search. Here you will be having the paper, that is design and analysis of grid connected photovoltaic PV system. So and also you will be having different types of papers related with that particular topic. So you can see methodology of design optimization and economic analysis of grid connected photovoltaic system, or else you can see optimal design and analysis of grid connected photovoltaic and a different tracking system. So like that, different types of that is your references will be generated. So what you have to do is you will be having this option. So click on credible. So after that, so you will be having this automatically, it will generate the contents, that is the article author name, and then you will be having title of your article, date published. So all the things will be available here. So after that, what you have to do is click on save. So as we have selected the format is Chicago, automatically it saves this in Chicago format. So this is our article. We have added our citation. So in order to add another one, click on add citation. For example, say I am going to copy and paste multi-level for grid connected system. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste the title here and then search. So after that, you will be having the details of the particular paper. Click on credible and save. So your second references is added. So like that, you can add your references easily, automatically in any format here. So you will be having different types of formats. So in any format, for example, every journal has give their templates. According to that, we have to change our paper. So in order to do so, in order to align the references, it is a tedious process to align references. For example, if it is a thesis, means you will be having around 100 to 150 references. So sitting and doing aligning and making the year, checking everything will be taken a long time for this. So you can make this easy option to generate your references easily. So next step is that you have to download the bibliography. So here are the different formats where you can download the references. So you can see here copy and paste, Word, Google Drive. So like the different options. I am going to click Word. Yes. Here you can see our references is generated. So here the references will be automatically generated. So like that, you can automate the reference generated using this MyBib. So it is a fantastic option which will save your time. Instead of sitting and making aligning the references, you can make use of this option. So and then you can make it as an alphabet wise also. So that you can do in Word itself. So this is the important option here. So next one is that in MyBib, so start a new, I am going to add a new project. So in that, what I am going to do is click on add citation. So in that, any website, for example, for writing an introduction part of your paper, that is introduction part of your research paper. For example, I want to make that renewable energy, what is the impact of renewable energy in recent years. Like that, I have going to make an introduction for about 150 words. I want to citate, I want to make citation properly where the content is taken. So like that, I have to going to give this renewable energy. So it's a newsletter for a renewable energy. So here what you have to do is copy and paste the URL of the particular website and then give search. So you will be having this citation, so probable, credible. So these are the things available in this particular, and click on save. So after that, it is added as a reference in your that is references. So it will add as a references. So like that, you can add any books, any journal paper, or any conference proceedings. Like that, you can add anything you want using this MyBib. So thereby it is a very easier process to generate references easily. And also there is no need to cross check anything. That is maximum it will be generating the correct type of that is structures. So as it is, as we are selected already here, so you can go on. So whatever the journal commanding, so you can select that particular type of reference style. So and you can click that reference style, and you can add different types of references and make that references adding very easy using this MyBib. So this is a fantastic AI tool which will be very useful to make your references automatic. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.